Hello everybody, it's that time of year. It's time to build my first gaming PC. I've been dreaming about this day since I was in 8th grade because one of my best friends had a gaming PC. And that was like when Fortnite, that was when it was blowing up. So I was so jealous, keyboard and mouse, want to get that gaming PC. Now I'm in college, finally building my own gaming PC. So let's get started. So first, this is my motherboard. I've got the Gigabyte H610M S2H. This supports DDR4 RAM, but this is a more of a budget type motherboard, so it can only hold 2 RAM sticks. So first, we're gonna start off by putting in the CPU. So for my CPU, I've got the Intel Core i3-12100F. This is more of a older version, but for the price, it's very, very good. So it's a lot cheaper, but it's pretty good with its performance. And then I'm gonna open this up, I think. Oh wait, let me check my video. Yes, I have to slide this out. Oh, this is so scary. Oh, and then open it. Just like that. And then I'm just gonna try to slide this on there, I guess. No, they said there shouldn't be any force. It should just slide down. And I can close this. Oh, shit. Okay, well, that's definitely coming off. But I don't know if that's supposed to be pushing down that hard. This feels like it's pushing so, it's so hard to push it down. Guys, I'm actually so scared. I hope this didn't break. I swear to God, if it broke, bro, I'll cry. Feels like it's so hard. Okay, well, I did it. I don't know if that's how tight it's supposed to be, but it's like tight as heck. But I guess on to the next part. Alright, so next are the RAM sticks. I've got two 16-byte T4s, DDR4s. These run at 3600 megahertz. It goes here, so I'm gonna put it on this side first. Oh, gotta be careful. I gotta make sure that this gap lines up with there, so it's on this side. Yep, that looks good. And then I'm gonna put some firm pressure down until it clicks. Alright, next is the SSD. I also got a Team Group SSD. It's 1 terabyte. Alright, for the SSD, I'm pretty sure it goes here. Yeah, definitely for sure. What does this do? Okay, I figured it out. This is like a latch, which is kind of cool, honestly. Yeah, so it looks like it's a latch, but I don't know how to take it out. Oh, guys. Okay, I got it. Oh, that was nerve-wracking. So I'm gonna put my SSD in. Oh, and then put that cover back on. And that should be it. Alright, now it's time to put some thermal paste. Oh, some thermal paste onto the CPU. Because we're gonna be putting the cooler on top. I'm gonna put like some on this side. I guess I should be able to just... I think it's good. And then, pretty sure... Oh yeah, CPU fan is right over here. So I'm just gonna plug that in. And there we go. Probably just literally just tuck it behind the RAM. Like this. There we go. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, now it's time to install the motherboard into the actual case. I have to take out these screws, and they're so hard to take out. But luckily, one of my friends, fortunately, had pliers. He has so many tools, but thank God, because I wouldn't be able to take them out. So I'm going to take them out, put the motherboard back in, and then I'll see you guys soon. Okay, now it's time to install the graphics card. I installed the motherboard, but I'm not even gonna lie to you, I could only fit one screw up here. The rest just does not fit. Like, look, I used 1 out of 6 screws for this motherboard. So I'm kind of scared it's gonna just fall off, but that one is like really screwed in, so hopefully it's gonna hold. Alright guys, I finally finished. I plugged everything in, like even my peripherals. The computer's plugged in, and I mean, it's looking neat. But oh my, this took forever. I was probably here, like cable management, just trying to figure out where to put the cables. Like, I have no experience in this, so like my professor says, Google it. And look at my room. Just look at it. Oh my god, it's gonna be so much cleanup. But moment of truth, it's time to press the power button. Hopefully it works. Honestly, I wouldn't even be surprised if it doesn't work, because I kind of just like went through it. Let's see. Huh? Bruh. Wait guys, I forgot there's a power switch on the back here. So let me flip that on first, and then oh shit. Alright guys, I think I'm finally done. This whole process took me about 4 hours. I even cleaned up my room. It's not looking too bad now. I even installed a Wi-Fi card because my motherboard doesn't come with a Wi-Fi inside of it for like wireless Wi-Fi. So I had to get a separate card for that. So if we turn it on, let's see. Yeah, look at that. Wait a minute. Oh, there we go. The RGB lighting with my RAM. I can change the colors on here too. Oh, I kind of like that. Yo, I love this color. Here's the final product, guys. It's looking good. My cable management could be better, but yeah, overall this whole thing looks amazing. I've got my setup here, my 165 hertz monitor, my keyboard and my mouse, my headphones, my mic. It's looking good. I'm excited.